not sure if you guys can hear this, but it's, yeah. Dip, derp, derp. Oh crap. Oh, like a tree. Okay, let's go there. And if you guys know Mr. Kreiner, I might be referencing, using some of the words he uses, like stupid advertisements. That's not one of them. Bad advertisement. Go away. Go away. You're evil. Just bye. Go away. Oh, what the? I'm not even touching the screen. What the crap? What the crap? Ooh, look at all the pumpkins. Still, what the crap, dude? Hello, kitty. I am really sorry about this. Let's just do this because it's needed, because you kind of need wood to build a house, right? So yeah, it really help. Bye to you too, sheep. Bye. No, me. I can't do it anymore. Dang it! Well, look, I said. Why am I not blind yet? What the garbage? What? That scared the crap out of me. Oh, 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 I hate loud noises. What the? Oh, that's just me placing something. Okay. More, that's okay then. Okay, let's build a house. Well, at least get starting. Evil. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okie dokie. This way now. Did that grass just grow? Did you just grow? Did I say you could do that? Did I say you could fall apart tree? Ooh, look, a tree sapling. Let's collect it. Just taking all your babies away from you. Man, I'm gonna plant them. They grow up to be big trees. Then I can kill them. Cause like, I'm awesome like that. Not really, no. Let's build a door, cause doors are really helpful. Especially when I keep running into them thinking they're open. I don't do that a lot. Yes, I do. I am an idiot. Who, what? Oh, there's a cow. That's who. Oh, what time is it? Wow. Okay. Staying up till 9. So, my friend Kano, Kitty, and I just recently started high school, and there's a stupid advertisement. Go away. Thank you. Excuse me. So, yeah, too bad we're going to different schools, though, which sucks. Because Kano, Kitty, and I are like best friends. Like me and this chicken. Hello, Mr. Chicken. Your name is Mr. Chicken now. Bye, Mr. Chicken. Goodbye, Senpai. Can I, name this cow Bobby over here? Please? Can I name it Bobby? Then Mr. Craner can be happy because Mr. Craner's my hero. Sir. Well, I don't have to go too far for mining or water, which is amazing. Hello, Mr. Pig. Just gonna... Okay, how on earth did that happen? That's just... killing your brother. They must be twins, but not separated at birth. Oh, crap. Oh, sorry. Got the sniffles 3, which sucks. Haha, my skills. Great, now I'm saying things from Merrick Plays Bloodlines. Great. Wait. I gotta do it properly. Okay, where's my house? Over there. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Can I, okay. What the? You make weird noises. Go ahead, make weird noises. Okay, ready for this? Oh, no, ready for this, but... Seriously? Okay. This is what I like doing. Well, I don't like doing, but this is what he does. Haha, my skills. I cannot be Merrick. At all. Oh my god, it's turning dark. I'm just gonna... Let's craft more wood. Because wood is mandatorial. I'm trying not to laugh, because if you watch Big Bang Theory, you would understand. But if you don't, you should. Because it's awesome. Huh. Kano Kitty hasn't texted me back yet. How dare she? Oh, I can finally be safe in my house. My humble home. Hey, I could I'm stalking you, Mr. Chicken. I'm really sorry. Holy crap, I really need to stop having the sniffles. Okay. Wow. Bye. Oh, look, there's a Mr. Skeletano. Should I just keep my floor grass? It'd be cool if I did. Aw, Kano Kitty doesn't love me anymore. She's not texting me back. Yeah, let's just message her again. I can't spell. Haha, I totally spelt that right. Probably not. Okie dokie, let's just walk around in circles going crazy. Because, I'm part of the crazy family with Mr. Craner. Yay. And I don't know what I am with Sandy. I found it pretty cool with the one episode where they did Mr. Spider, don't notice me. I am not your senpai, and you are not mine. Deal with it. So anyways, I like the one episode where Sandy made Derp Sandy. Can you see me from here? Okay. What the heck? Oh, it's a cow. Okay. Rap. It was pretty cool. So it's called Derp Sandy Rap. It's awesome kind of thing. You can either watch it with Mr. Craner. Stupid advertisement. Go away. Okay, let's just watch this advertisement for a couple seconds. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Either with Sandy or Mr. Craner. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Wait. Moo. Is he trying to say move? Or just moo? Because mooing is cool too. Especially if your hat's a Haru, who is actually a cow. Okay, you know what? It'd be awesome if I just did the wrong way. One thing I really want to do is you take a door and you put it there if possible. But no, it hate me. I'm scared of it. There we go. There we go. Have like a random door right here because doors are cool. And I can say, haha, my skills. Oh my god. What the crap? Go away, you stupid. Oh, look at that. It's raining. Let's close my window. Like. Oh, 1 second. Oh crap. Oh, my pillow's all wet. Great. That's great. Crap. I am safe. Not really. Where'd my phone go? Oh, I'm sitting on it. Duh. Hey, Kennel Kitty texted me back. Finally, you noticed me, senpai. Let's just wait here for a little bit. Where's the moon? Mr. Moon, where is you? I have a question. It's kind of bad I forgot to spell the word of. Like, seriously. I forgot to put the O and the F. I put O-V-E. What does that even spell? Like, seriously. Did it? Okay, I thought it stopped raining. I'm like, so we just had a random burst of rain for like 3 seconds? Oh, yeah. Excuse me, sorry. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna end my very first video right here, if that is okay with you guys, because I have to go to bed because I am really tired. Just kidding, but seriously, I'm ending the video now. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. That looks really weird. I have close up on my face. Wow. Oh, look at that Mr. Spider in the background. Hello. Cooperate. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, you guys have been awesome. Thanks for watching.